every day, I think from morning till night, I get more than 100 inquiries regarding, ma'am, I want to go to South Korea. What should I do? Even if now I open my WhatsApp, maybe minimum 20 messages are there. What can I do? What should I do? Yeah, we all know that South Korea is the most trending destination, but I have so many other works to do. So every day giving answer to the messages or giving answer to the queries becomes very difficult, because Vidya.com is one and only the one consultancy who is working on South Korea in India, and we have sent successfully maybe more than minimum 300 students to South Korea. So each year almost 100 students go through us to South Korea. So we started working for South Korea just pre-pandemic, and we have been successfully working in sending students to South Korea. Those who have settled well there, many have already started working. They're doing very well. Many have used it as a pathway to US. Then I thought, let me conduct a workshop where all of you can enter and know everything, what you can do, whether you can do an undergraduate, whether you can do a postgraduate, whether you can do a PhD, which courses are best, which subjects are best, what are the modules, does it require an English language test, is government scholarships available there, what are the criteria of getting entry into Seoul International. So all of that I have compiled in one workshop. It will be a 2-day workshop. The day one I will give you a general idea about the country and everything in detail, but the second day is very crucial, so 2 days is compulsory. Second day I talk one-to-one to the students. I give them a time slot and I keep my Zoom open for the whole day. They can enter, they can talk to me in a one-to-one session. So it is a 2-day workshop, and the entry fees is 99 rupees only. Yeah, initially my workshops used to be free, but I saw, even the students or the participants who are not interested, just for the heck of it, they want to enter and spoil the mood of the workshop. So I only want sincere people to participate in this, and that's why this small token amount. Okay, so all of you register. The registration link, not the registration link, sorry, the payment link is given in the QR code is given in the inbox. So just pay 99 rupees, and on 23rd I will be there to give you all the details regarding studying in South Korea. And the name of the workshop what I have given is Empowering Minds, a Journey into South Korean Education. Thank you.